Welcome back to the Youngie Empire, and we have a shopping spree haul. First thing I got from Walmart is bubble gum. And the second thing I got from Walmart is a microwave.
Can you turn it on?
Oh yeah. If you put food in there.
Cool. Go Pyle.
First thing I got from Walmart is the Battle Pack New Day, and it comes with the stop sign, Biggie and Kofi Kingston. And second is the Zombie Talkies. That's what it looks like inside.
What does it taste like?
Like tortilla.
Good?
The next store we went to Fowler's, and we got this troll headband.
How many?
3.
Okay, next.
The next one is this necklace.
Cool.
I got these pajama pants. It's so cute. Then a toothbrush.
Oh, Garfield.
I know, I like that show. Put you in here. Jacket. And a dress.
Put it to you. Pretty.
And a pajama pants. Troll's shirt.
Let me see. Shine bright.
And I got these pants. This gray one. This one. And there's 2 bows and the clips.
Let me see.
Oh,
What is that?
it's like another headband. Next one,
What is it?
it's a baby with, it comes with that. The bottle thing. The first thing I got from Fowler's is a rock toothbrush. Brushes your teeth clean. And then I got 2 pairs of socks. And then a Ultimate Warrior beanie with gloves.
Let me see.
Then I got a black jacket. And I got a shirt and a tank top. Then I got Marvel's superhero. Then this Pokemon, I don't know what. Then I got soldier pants. Then basketball pajamas. It comes with 2 of these. That's all. I got shoes from Foot Locker. And they look like.
Take them out. Other side.
At the mall, at Champs, I got some black shoes. And the bottom, soft. Looks like. Olfato, bye.
You're the only one I hold, and I don't want it to be cold. So baby, wear mine when you go to sleep at night, when you wake up in the morning.